Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maths and Studio. So today we have the expression 2 to the power 9 to the power x divided by 8 to the power 3 to the power x equals 1 by 4. So how we will solve it is we'll express the whole expression in terms of a common base and then we'll equate the powers. So let's get started. So as we express the numbers with the common base, 8 becomes 2 cube, 4 becomes 2 square, expression becomes 2 to the power 9 to the power x by 2 cube to the power 3 to the power x equals 2 to the power minus 2. So as we simplify the denominator, we get 2 cube times 3 to the power x, which can be written as this. So we can multiply the powers. So since we have a common base, the powers can be subtracted. So finally the equation becomes (9 to the power x minus 3 times 3 to the power x equals minus 2. So this can be treated as a quadratic equation if we take 3 to the power x as a variable. So let's solve the quadratic equation. So like I said, y will be equal to 3 to the power x. So y square minus 3y plus 2 equals 0. So here we get y equals 1 and 2. So y is equal to 3 to the power x. So 3 to the power x equals 1, we take log both sides, log 1 is 0, so x comes out to be 0. And we take 3 to the power x equals 2, which makes log of 3 to the power x equals log of 2. So x comes out, so log of 2 divided by log of 3 can be treated as log 2 base 3. So our final solutions are x equals 0 and x equals log 2 base 3. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more videos like this. Thank you.